Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 2. Let us go to our quiz. Bacteria are cells with no nucleus. What is present in all cells? Ribosomes. Primary function of cell wall in the stem of a plant is for support of the plant. Mitochondria are responsible for making dash for the cell. Energy. What organelle would you expect to find in plant cell but not animal cell? Chloroplasts. The dash is a spherical organelle that contains digestive enzymes to break down defective organelles and other molecules to either recycle or dispose out of the cell. Lysosomes. In eukaryotic cells, the DNA is protected in what organelles? Nucleus. Which structure is unique to prokaryotic cells? Capsule. Which organelles produce lipids and carbohydrates in eukaryotic cells? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What structure is responsible for regulating what enters and exits the cell? Cell membrane. Plant cells can usually be distinguished from animal cells because only plant cells possess cell walls. Number of dash is determined by subtracting the atomic number from the mass number of a given atom. Neutrons. Solutions with a pH of 7 is neutral. Carbon has dash valence electrons. Four. Acids range from dash to dash on the pH scale. Zero to 6.9. The type of ions that forms when an atom gains an electron is dash ion. Positive. A dash donates hydrogen ions when conditions become too basic, and accepts hydrogen ions when conditions become too acidic. Buffer. Dash and dash are found in the nucleus of an atom. Protons and neutrons. Describe the atomic number of an atom. The number of protons in the atom. Four most common elements in living organisms. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. The basic unit of matter is atom. How many electrons does fluorine have? Nine. Hello friends, thank you for trying out Biology Master Part 2. Please do like, share and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.